Welcome to your Mortgage Insider Update for the last week in May. We got some big news at the end of the week with the Personal Consumption Expenditure, or PCE, our final inflation report for this month. Hoping for a little softness in the PCE report. We actually had some revisions in both the CPI and the Producer Price Index earlier this month, so could we see a repeat? Now, that's going to come out on Friday, so Friday's typically a light trading day, so it could move the markets quite substantially. Also in the news, oil prices have been up. That's definitely an inflationary, so a concern as more unrest and uneasiness in the Middle East continues, and we will see the second quarter GDP number come out. So this is basically GDP surprise lower than expected for the second quarter in the first reading. Second reading is basically like an opportunity for revisions. So will that come in a little bit stronger? We'll see. So poor GDP, lower or tame inflation could bring a great month of June ahead. We do have a Fed meeting in June. At this point, the Fed is not planning on cutting the interest rates. Their next opportunity most likely will not be till September, even though they do have another meeting in July. So let's take a look at the charts. Relatively muted this morning. So checking out the charts, the 10-year Treasury is up 3 basis points today, just hovering under that 450 number, 4.50, not being very significant other than just the psychological staying below 450 is a positive for the marketplace. We can see that that level has been tested back on May 13th, and we're actually just kind of hovering right there today with the 25-day average just above us, unless there's some bad news like some higher inflation numbers or higher GDP or something to rumble the markets. We are hoping for a tame week for the 4-day week until we get into Thursday, Friday, where the big fireworks can start. That's where the GDP number will come out. Friday will be the PCE. So we'll keep an eye on that for you and come back with it next week. So have yourself a great end of May and get ready to get those kids out of school and start the summertime fun. That is also traditionally the time where a lot of home sales take place. So if you're interested in the market and interested in buying a new home this summer, get in touch with us. Get ahead of it and get your plans in place before you try to decide that the one is the one. Worst that can happen is that you get some knowledge and walk away with a lot better understanding of the homes as far as monthly payments and what you could feel confident in affording when you are out looking at properties. Take care.